ROXSiTOP silicone is a cementitious waterproofing coating, consisting of Part A liquid polymer, and Part B dry powder. This video will teach you how to apply ROXSiTOP silicone 118, 228 and 328. First, clean the surface, remove excess cement, using hammer and chisel. Ensure that the surface is free from dust, oil, and grease. Ensure that there is no puddle of water. Install the angle fillet. Place 50 mm of fiber mesh on top of the angle fillet. Use clean water to damp the surface thoroughly. Ensure that there is no puddle of water. Pour Part A and Part B into a clean dry tub to produce the first coat, which is red in color. Mix it with an electric drill. Allow the mixture to soak in for 1 to 2 minutes before remixing. Start applying it once it's ready. You can spread the mixture evenly by using a paintbrush. Hard plastic brush. Broom. Squeegee. Roller. Or trowel. Pour Part A and Part B into a clean dry tub to produce the second coat. Mix it with an electric drill. Ensure that the first coat is rested for 4 hours beforehand. Apply the second coat, which is gray in color. Apply the second coat in a diagonal direction. Pour mixture up to 1 to 2 mm thickness onto surface, and spread evenly. Make sure first coat is pre-damped, if left beyond 12 hours, or overnight. Once it's done, leave the coating to dry and cure for 3 to 14 days. Surface is now ready for the next step, such as tiling and more. Don't forget to like our video, and click subscribe.